We slept back here last night, next to the road, next to 238 highway, actually. The sheep got to enjoy lots of blackberries and lots of sweet peas all night long. And last night when we got in, it was dark, but I was really jonesing for blackberries, so we actually walked all around this bin and even up there on the back side of those blackberries with my dim setting on my flashlight and only turning it on when the car's headlights weren't visible. Blackberry breakfast rock. Good sheep. Slept right there. I went around last night with my flashlight and went around the perimeter and got most of the big ones. These are a little on the small side, but all right. My sheep just came over to me. She's ready to milk. She said, "I'm ready to milk. Let's milk." All right, let's show them. Let's show them that you actually like the milk. All right, you ready? Good girl, thank you. You ready to milk, huh? Good sheep. Good girl. Good sheep. Thank you, JC. Well, because I milked you late last night. Good girl. But no. You are all good. You so scratchy, scratchy, scratchy. Oh, yes, a good girl. Yeah, he's a good sheep. Picking these peas on the side of the road. Line of peas. Good sheep. Good sheep. Hi, Michael. What's it? Oh, no, Mark.
Yeah, Mark.
Mark, good to see you.
How are you doing?
Good. William sucked.
It did?
Yeah.
Why?
Just a bunch of arrogant pot pot growers and hemp growers, like people were saying.
Everybody just was interested in marijuana.
Yeah, there was no local food security at all. Everyone was just growing a bunch of hemp and weed, and they weren't very conscious. There were some conscious people there, but for the most part, they were dipshits. So, but it was all good. We walked back until here. Surprisingly, with the Jacksonville sign, and because when we were walking that way, we didn't have a sign at all, and you gave us a ride. That was awesome.
But you're doing okay?
Yeah, I just getting some breakfast.
Where are you headed?
We're gonna go back to. We didn't get any phone service in Williams or anywhere in between here and there, so we're gonna go back towards Jacksonville and Medford and Ashland area to try to get a different company's SIM card, and then because I have an open phone, so I should be able to. Nope, you stay down. I should be able to then, when I get into areas that I don't have T-Mobile coverage, maybe be able to switch over to U.S. Cellular. I hear that they have.
U.S. Cellular has the most wide range.
That's
for
who.
Like
is that who you had also?
Yeah.
Yeah, and several other people did
bit,
too.
Yeah.
Several
it works
other
out
people
here and in kind of more remote than some of the other places.
That's what other people were saying.
If you want a ride, I can give you a ride.
Thank you.
If you just want to walk, you can go.
Yeah, we're actually pretty good. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, Mark, loving you, brother. Yay, Mark, brother Mark. It was awesome. All right. We got sheep sorrel, wild broccoli greens, wild peppergrass, fennel, foraged fennel, and foraged rosemary, and wild celery seed, and Pam, the park manager at Cantrell Parks, basil and garlic, and I've got sweet pea flour ground up. We've also got amaranth in here, foraged amaranth. And I got my sheep's milk to really bring it home, make it creamy. Cream of split pea, cream of wild split pea soup. Cream of wild split pea soup. That should be good. And I keep my old cheese rinds in my salt bag. It's basically Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna crush that up and put a piece of very strong tasting Parmesan sheep cheese in there. This is gonna be freaking awesome. Yay, wild split pea soup. Oh wow. That's so good. The peppergrass seeds and amaranth give it some texture. And I put a lot of vegetables in here for a split pea soup. Oh my god. This is straight soul food, man. This is the coolest sign ever. If every highway had this sign, there'd be a lot more people walking instead of driving. Because the places that have share the road with bicycle signs have a lot more bicyclists. Because people are aware and are more cautious, and the bicyclists feel more safe. So they should have more hiking signs. People hiking on the side of the highway signs. Yeah, we made it into Jacksonville. We're at the library. Sheeps are chilling. Good sheep. Got woolly tethered up the fence. I'm gonna keep them off this lawn because they have sprinklers, and sprinklers overwater the grass, so that the grass roots are not very deep, because they don't need to be deep. They don't need to go very deep to find water, and so therefore those shallow roots are able to be ripped up much easier by their grazing, and then it doesn't leave it looking too pretty like they're trying to keep it. So I don't ever let my sheep graze on grass that has irrigation, especially when it's like obviously irrigated and manicured like this, and without absent of weeds, because the only way they're going to prevent weeds from coming up on this lawn is by putting out herbicides. So yeah, I don't let my sheep graze on irrigated, landscaped type lawns, because it screws up the lawns, and it screws them up. Yeah, we're in Jayville now, chilling. It's like 2 o'clock, so might try to load this video, and if anything exciting happens later on, then I'll add it to it and erase the first video. I tend to do that when I don't have phone service. I'm at the library on Wi-Fi, so I might as well upload the video.